तू इकडे ये.
Just normal talk. चले?
हा?
Hello and welcome to another video of the Fashion Track. It's Tuesday, which means you get a new video, and today it's going to be some time for expert advice. I just finished an absolutely wonderful shoot with this woman here, Sheetal Pekar. She runs a glamour portraiture studio in Pune, and she takes photographs of everyday women. She makes everyday women look prettier. See how glamorous we look today. But the thing that I wanted to do in this video is that since she's a photographer, she can give us tips on how to look better in everyday pictures. When we take our selfies, when other people take pictures with us, it's not that we don't look nice in the face, it's just that if you follow some little tiny tips, you could just look better in your entire body. So Sheetal, thank you so much for joining us on the Fashion Track. Please say hello to everyone out there. So Sheetal is going to give us 5 tips on how to look better in everyday pictures.
Number one, anytime you face the camera,
Right.
and even if it's a close-up,
Uh-huh.
the first thing you do is push your chin forward and down.
Okay.
So that gets rid of your double chin
Right.
immediately. So even if you're this way, you push your chin forward and down. Now from the side, it's going to look weird,
Mm-hmm.
but from the camera angle, you create a shadow and your chin gets a shape.
So remember people, chin forward and chin down gets rid of the double chin. Okay, tip number 2.
Always keep your hands slightly away from the body,
Okay.
so that you get rid of the extra flap that you have here. So you just get rid of it and your arms look more forward.
Excellent.
The more space you create in the body, the slimmer you look.
The more space you create in your body, the slimmer you look. Excellent advice. See, small tips and tricks to make us look better. Alright, onwards to tip number 3.
So always keep one leg behind
Mhm.
and one leg forward. Always put your weight on the back foot. So the weight gets pushed away from the camera and point your knee. That's it.
Point our knee.
And always the toes have to be pointed even if you're not wearing heels.
Okay, always point the toes even if you're not wearing heels. Okay?
So your toes are pointed, your hips are pushed behind, your arms are away from the body, your chin is forward and down.
Don't we look all professional? Alright, moving on to tip number 4.
So instead of standing right facing the camera, just tilt sideways. If there's a wall, you can just tuck
Okay.
your arm, the flap of your arm inside the wall, and so your hands immediately look
Taut. You immediately lose like 1 inch in your arms. Who doesn't want like thin arms in pictures, right?
yeah. So basically, whenever there's a wall, just use it.
And tip number 5, to create curves in our posture, right?
So whenever you're standing straight, you look square.
Okay.
Square is for men, curves are for women. So you push your hip on one side, push your butt back. So you create this shape, and you can create triangles in your body or diamond shapes in your body. So the more gaps, the more slimmer you look, the more curves you see.
The more gaps you are, the slimmer you look. See, easy advice.
And your hands, instead of keeping it here, you keep it closer to each other.
Okay.
So your waistline looks thinner.
Keep hands closer to each other so that waistline looks thinner. Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe wear a belt. Does that help?
Yes. So if wearing a belt, whenever you're wearing clothes, your hands and your waist
Mhm.
have to be fitting.
Okay. So make sure upper body clothes are fitting.
Fitting till the waist. So your curves and your hands are same and then gap.
And there you have it. 5 easy tips to look better in your everyday pictures. All you need to do is follow the simple tips and tricks, and you'll end up looking like a total fashion model. Until then, you know I do new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Don't forget to tune in on Friday. This time I have something very extraordinary for you, so don't forget to come back on Friday. Till then, as I always say, lipstick is God, and always be stylish. Bye bye.
Bye.
If you like what you see, then don't forget to hit like, subscribe and share the love. If you want a conversation or just want to give me feedbacks, comments or suggestions, don't forget to hit me up on thebouncegirl@gmail.com. New videos every Tuesday and Friday.